The CData Excel add-in provides self-service integration with Microsoft Excel, linking your Excel spreadsheet to real-time data, allowing you to monitor enterprise data and keep it up to date for use in reporting and analysis. In this video, we walk through getting started with the CData Excel add-in by installing the add-in and importing Salesforce data into Excel. This video features the CData Excel add-in for Salesforce, but the principles apply to any of the 200+ data sources we support. To begin, navigate to cdata.com/Excel and download the Excel add-in. Run the installer and follow the instructions for installation. Once the add-in is installed, open Excel. Click the CData tab, then Get Data from Salesforce. Choose Basic for the auth scheme. After filling in the connection properties, click Test Connection. Then, click OK. Next, on the CData query screen, click Select and then choose a table and click OK. Next, a SQL query appears. This query populates the Excel spreadsheet with Salesforce data. Click OK. Finally, we have an Excel spreadsheet with Salesforce data. And that's everything you need to know to import data into Excel using CData's Excel add-in. To get started with CData Excel add-ins, visit cdata.com/Excel and download a free trial. Thanks for watching, and as always, you can find more resources at cdata.com.